Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clear cache on your MacBook Pro. You can clear your cache from your MacBook Pro with different methods. So let's go ahead and get to it one by one. First of all, I'm going to show you how to clear your browser's cache on your MacBook Pro. To do so, open the Safari application from your MacBook Pro. Soon after you open it up, click on Safari at the top left and click on Clear History. Select the time range for which you want to clear the cache. You can choose between the options in the pop-up. If you want to clear all the history, click on All History and then click on Clear History in the dialog box. Soon after you do that, you will be able to clear your browser's history on your MacBook Pro. If you want to clear the system cache for your MacBook Pro, then here's how you can do it. Go ahead and find your Finders app from the bottom menu. Now, from the options displayed right after you click on the application, simply go ahead and select the Go To folder. You can also go ahead and press Shift-Command-G to open up the Go To folder window directly. Once you open it up, type in the command, just like I'm gonna show you on the screen. Make sure to type in library/caches, and then once you are done with it, press enter. Once you get to the caches folder, select all the files and folder inside the cache. You can press on Command A in order to select all the files and then press on delete, or simply drag the files to the trash. Now once you are done selecting all the files, go ahead and click on Move to Trash and you will be able to delete your system cache for MacBook Pro. So that is how you can easily clear cache on MacBook Pro in two different ways. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.